Hey Bayhanas! It's me, Isa, and in today's episode, musuway na sad ta ug mo react sa mga extreme beauty products for women online. In this episode, musuway ta og upat ka lain-laing produkto, a mask for your boobs, armpit shields, a nose lifter, and a monolid eye sticker. Do we really need these products to look good and to feel better about ourselves, or are these products that gipatuo na sad ta that we need in order to look beautiful? We are gonna find out today. So the first thing that we're gonna try out is kaning monolid nga sticker. Monolids is a type of eye where wala kay fold. Usually, ang kanang nay monolids are Eastern Asians. Because wa siya hood, magbutang kag eyeshadow, igmata nimo, kanon si mong mata, tanan nimong eyeshadow. So you can't do like different eyeshadow looks like people with hooded eyelids can. Wala ko'y monolid, so I don't actually need this, but I've always been curious. So the product actually is just tape that you put on your eye. So akong i-zoom ang lens, ha? Nya maputol akong nya kasukan na sa kong PJ.
Na ma'am.
Tangtangon na to ang oh my god, this is so hard with fake nails. Di ata oh, there. Okay. It actually looks like this. It also comes with kaning ingani, mersyag pang-ana sa mata. And then the second one is mersyag puller nga plastic. I really don't know kung maklaro din yun. Ano mo siyang i-ana sa mong mata. Lalalala. Wait, bugo kay ko. Ako siyang gibutang sa ilawom. Dapat diri unta. Not sure difference, wa? Kit ako mirror, no? Would I recommend it? I honestly would if you're a person who has monolids and wants to try out different makeup looks. Sure, why not? Would I use this product again? Obviously not, because dili ako ang demographic ani. But do I think it's interesting? Sure. Okay, ready na ako for the next product. So the next product atong suwayan today is the Rhinoplasty High Increased the Nose Stealth. Yan na siya 3D sa box. So, ang gamit ani niya is it bridge of the nose, higher moments, nose narrowed considerably, stealth pretty nose. Diba? May gamit niya. So, ang gamit ani nga product is actually to give you an idea kung unsa mong naong if magpataas kag ilong. So, something very interesting about my nose is that humok kay kog ilong. You can actually like move it. Like, humok kay kog ilong, guys. Like, scary kay siya. So, inside it, na siya ingani, ug pasukanan. Ako siyang pasok sa akong ilong. This is my nose, my beautiful Filipina nose. And now we're going to try the product nga pampataas akong ilong. Hadlok lagi ko eh. Oh my god! Di na gyud siya musod! Di rin na lang takot to. Di rin na lang tataman. Mara ko katong sa The Grinch. Uy. So, I just tried on the rhinoplasty thing. And di siya maigo sa akong ilong. Nya karon kinagsakit na hinuod siya. Move on na ta, man. So, the next product that we're gonna try out are these armpit shields. Meron siyang cotton nga device na imuhang itaod sa imong ilok para dili makitan inyong jabar. Jabar! So, I'm actually a criminal jabarer. As in, singtanon kay kog ilok. Di ko panington anywhere else on my body but my ilok. Ako ang blast. I wanted to try them, not because mawaw ko nga singtanon kog ilok. Obviously, normal naman ang singtanon tag ilok. But because sometimes when you get jabar, ang imong singot mupilit siya si masinina niya, mulain ang color niya, niglaban niya, mulahi na gid ang color forever. Fun fact, I'm wearing them right now. Ang pagtaod niya is weird, kaya ang sticky side, maoy naa si mo ilok, syempre, kaya sumli siyang pilit. Solid good siya, wa siya holes or anything. So, ambot asa padung akong singot ani mo, tuto na lang skilled. So, you actually take out the tape, unya mo siyang ipilit sa mong ilok, and then you can put it over a shirt and dili na mulapas ang inyong singot. So far, akong feeling is weird siya sa pagkapapilit, but after a while, maanad na ka. Would I recommend it? I actually would. I would recommend it for people that have sweaty armpits and don't like ruining their clothes. So I would actually really recommend it. So let's move on to our fourth and final product, and that is the Collagen Crystal Breast Mask. It is meant to nourish, moisturize, whiten, and restore the elastic and soft and perky breast. Kung naay pa face mask inyuhang naong, naasay pa face mask inyuhang tutoy. Ang effect daw aning produkto ha is to pamper and enlarge breast, to lighten your areola, and to whiten and moisturize. I'm actually not going to try this product on my breasts. Kuyawan ko kay na siya special anti-wrinkle. Ano siya maingon unsay naa. Hindi ko ganahan magpataka o butang. We're gonna actually take out the product from the container and we're gonna feel it around. Smar siya glue ug baho eh. So this is what it looks like. And it's supposed to go on your boob. Very good kay kuno nagpalit-palit kong butang unya trying out unya wala na ko gitry. I would try a safer mask. I would not try this one because wako kibaw asa siya gikan. Unya tag 40 ra na siya oy. So hadlok ka ayo niya sensitive na tong tutoy. So that's just a lesson for everyone. Ayaw in taon mo pagpataka o palit og mga butang na ibutang ninyo sa inyong lawas kay it goes in your skin, it goes in your body. It could be dangerous for you. So there you have it, Bayhana. Sisuway ko og upat ka buok ng mga extreme beauty products made for women. How do I feel about these products? Well, to be honest, while I do think that we are all beautiful in our own ways and we don't really need any modifications, syempre no, nagitay mga insecurities and I respect that and I would never make someone feel bad for wanting to change certain things about themselves. So you do you, sis. Hinumdumi nga dili man gid ninyo kinahanglan mga butanga pero if nagin may katul halabash sige kauta na. Would I try these products again? I would actually continue to use the armpit shield and all the rest of the products will be in the description below. I hope that you enjoyed this episode and I hope nga daghan mo nakatunan. If you want to continue having conversations like this, make sure that you're part of the Bayhana community group, and for more episodes like this, make sure that you're following By TV. Follow me on all my socials. I'm Issaplease, and also follow Bayhana on YouTube. I'll catch you in the next episode, and don't forget, knowledge is power! Bye!